In front of me is HONOR Magic8 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing. First of all, you need to launch your keyboard and tap on this icon of a microphone at the top right corner. If you can't see it, don't worry, just select the gear icon. Click on voice typing here and activate it thanks to this switcher. Then go back to your keyboard and tap on no visible microphone. Hit while using the app and start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. Just make sure you have a correct language. Either way, if you want to stop, you can pause or click on the same microphone. If you want to, you can also tap on your microphone and select tiny icon right next to it. Then hit next, select done and enjoy using voice typing from this toolbar. To move it around, hold it and drag it. To delete text on the go, use this button with an X. To manage some settings, click on this button on the left. And to go back to standard keyboard, hit keyboard icon. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!